How to fix Face ID not working. Is your iPhone's Face ID failing? Let's fix it step by step. So first, clean camera area. Clean the through depth camera. Dirt, smudges, or a case blocking the notch can stop Face ID from working. Step 2, go ahead and check your settings. So go ahead and open up settings on your iOS device, and then from here, go ahead and look for Face ID and passcode. Click on this, and then go ahead and make sure Face ID is enabled for unlock and apps. Step 3, position your iPhone correctly. Hold it 10 to 20 inches from your face with your eyes, nose, and mouth visible. Step 4, restart your iPhone. If that does not help, update iOS to the latest version. Software bugs can affect Face ID. Reset Face ID, re-enroll your face, or add an alternative appearance for better recognition. Most Face ID issues are solved by cleaning, checking settings, restarting, updating, or resetting.